How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at this 2026 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. Starting on the back of the boat, this can be powered by a 60 horsepower, 4-stroke Mercury engine. This is equipped with the live well. So easy access, you can stand up on top of this, use it as a nice casting platform or insulated storage for a cooler for a day trip. You have a reversible pilot seat, find that comfortable position up at the helm. You have a SIMRAD multifunctional display for charts and depth. As well as your analog gauge that'll have some of the SmartCraft information and your JL audio. Bimini over top for those sunny days. And then up on the bow, you have the fishing package, which is going to give you the cooler cushion seat here and backrest with additional rod holders and anchor locker up front. Another great spot for casting. So again, it's Mike Love here, MarineMax Ocean View. This is a 2026 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, we'd love to have you stop by. Thanks. Catch you out on the water.